Microsoft Copilot is great at collating large amounts of information and presenting them in a simple format that's easy to understand. This time, we're going to see how Copilot finds emails from Outlook and messages from Teams that reference someone seeking care and support. The results are from a certain date range and use simple language with a professional tone. In this demo, I'm using Microsoft 365 Copilot in Outlook Desktop. And to get started, I choose Copilot from the left-hand rail in Outlook. That shows me the prompt window now at the bottom. The first part of the prompt is the goal. What do I want to see? And I want a summary of all the messages that reference someone in my care. So I'll start the prompt, create a summary of emails and messages that mention an individual seeking care and support, Mrs. Doe. Then I give Copilot some context and I continue. I want to see all the messages I've sent about her in order to help her access the social care services that my team provides. Then I tell Copilot where to get the messages from, and I write, focus on emails in my Outlook mailbox and messages from Microsoft Teams since last June. And finally, I add my expectations about how I'd like it to look. Use simple language, but with a professional tone. In a few seconds, Copilot returns the results, and I can see I've received 2 emails about Mrs. Doe and been involved in a Teams chat about her too. Copilot has added the dates and a summary of what was said, and down here I can see the messages it found, and I can click on those to open them up and review the detail. This prompt has allowed me to quickly summarize all the information I have on an individual seeking care and support. It saved me the time of finding all the messages in Outlook and Teams and formatting them in a way that made it easier to read. And now I have this information, I can continue to ask Copilot other questions and get more insights, allowing me to make faster decisions and save more time.